Hello everyone, welcome. Hi. We're starting a new series where we're going to be looking at startups in Ghana and just exploring the startup ecosystem within the country. So let's get started. Okay, so the very first startup we're looking at is called 586 Designs, and I guess it's mainly for design work, right? Yeah, what we offer: design, development, UI, UX, branding, marketing, social media. This isn't clickable. Yeah, these are not clickable. The email is clickable though. About selected works 5. It ain't much, but it's honest work. Okay. I mean, there's nothing really clickable here. It's just a website to showcase. Okay, well, these are clickable, I think, right? Let me see the cloud audio. Okay. Still the cloud audio. Okay, well, I guess the website could use a bit of work, but yeah, it looks like they are not really a website person or like a software developer. They are more into design, so that's not really an issue. Let me see where this takes me. Okay, so I suppose they worked on the design for this platform, right? Home, about us, our services. Okay. Is it my internet connection? Oh, okay. Looks like it's working now. I don't know what happened there, but yeah. Okay, that's kind of weird. Is it a website that's lagging? Or yeah, it's the website that's lagging because I can switch between tabs without an issue. Okay, so what is wrong with the website? The cloudaudio.com. Okay, so it's loaded. I mean, the design does look cool. So the people do know what they are doing when it comes to design, but the website is very strange. I don't know. Yeah, it's not my internet connection. That's so weird. That is so okay. It looks like it's and it's gone again. Okay, I'm not dealing with that. Alright, so yeah, it looks like all these links, all these projects, they all still take you to the same, the cloudaudio.com. Can I see savagaofficial.com, I think. Tell shell. Kind of intelligence category school. Okay, since this one I can see the link, I think let me try going there and see. savagaofficial.com. Is that it? Okay. Nope. Okay, no problem. But yeah, I think so far they seem to be decent at what they do. Their design work, especially from the websites I was able to see, looks pretty decent. The only issue is their website, or their own website, could use a bit of improvements, right? But yeah, this is their LinkedIn page. You can check them out if you're interested in working with them. People, Kelvin Shre. Yeah, so you can check them out if you're interested in working with them, right? They do, their designs are cool, in my opinion, right? Depending on how you view things, maybe it might not be cool to you, but to me, yeah, the designs do look decent at least. So feel free to check them out if you are interested in getting some design work done, right? The next one we'll be looking at is Acral Courier, your dependable and reliable moving service dispatch. What? Dedicated dispatch. Sign up now. Home movers, move now. Okay. So what do these guys do? A dependable and reliable moving service. Okay, so they are moving service. Our services range from intercity express deliveries, overnight travels across Ghana. Okay, home office movers. Okay, so if you are looking for people to help you move your home or office or provide a warehouse, e-commerce solutions, dedicated. Okay, I can't click this. I can't click this. I can't click this. I can't click this. I can't. Okay, so let me check this and this. Same day delivery. What people think of us. One thing I've come to notice is most of the delivery services in our country can be a bit difficult to work with, right? Aside from Uber and Yango, those big services, the smaller ones have proven a bit difficult most of the time. So yeah, maybe hopefully these guys would be a different story. Phone number, email. Okay, our domain states Mondays to Friday. Okay, we'll check out their social media as well. YouTube, Facebook. Oh, they even have a WhatsApp chat widget, right? Oh yeah, cool, very cool. Right. Their platform is looking pretty decent. Invest in Acral. About us, invest in Acral. Invest in the future. Discover more. Why should you invest in it? Okay. So is there revenue model? Projected 2024. Within the first year of investment. Projected 2024. We are out of 2024 already. Fill out interest form. Where's the interest form? Here's a video. Yeah, it's a video. Do I want to watch this? Education experts. Dedicated team. Acral. Packing, loading, transportation, and packing. Acral. Okay, I mean, they seem well put together. And it looks like they are more into home moving, office moving than actual delivery. Because I think that's where most of their focus is. Yeah, even their pictures. Okay, so let's check this. Movies on your camera. Yeah, this is for the home. And page not found for the delivery, right? So let me go back to the home page. And let's see, dedicated. Sign up now. Sign up. Yeah, not found. So it looks like they don't really do the dispatch. If they still do it, I'm not sure. Maybe they don't do it anymore, but it's not available on their platform, so I would assume they don't do it anymore. And then they also have home movers. So with the movers, with the home movement, it looks like it's still active. So yeah, you could potentially give them a call. So I mean, if there's anyone watching who is interested in moving from one place to another, moving homes, moving offices, whatever, perhaps you could give them a call. Okay, so let's check out their social media. You have a wide range of vehicles to cater and it's parcel, bulk, and cargo. Okay, well, from their social media, it looks like they still, let me check something. This was March 14th and this was March 15th. Okay, so probably they still do their dispatch, but their focus is mainly on home movement or how home relocation. What's the term for that? Home or okay, so they said home or office moving, so that's the term I'll use as well. So their focus is mainly in home/office moving. So yeah, if I wanted to do something like that, home office moving out, I'll probably look into them. For dispatch, I'm not so sure because it looks like their focus is mainly on the first, not the dispatch aspect. So let's see their YouTube. Dedicated dispatch movement Acral 1 year ago. Wow, 2.7k views, 11k. Oh, okay, and 19 subscribers. Okay, It looks like they were advertisements that they ran, because with this amount of views and only 19 subscribers here, it had to be advertisements. Well, let's check out the Facebook. 2.5k likes, 1k followers. Okay, cool. Cool. And their last post was March 15. Okay, so it looks like they are active. March, April, May. Yeah, so it looks like they're active. They are still working. So you should definitely give them contact them if you are interested, or if you need home or office moving services, right? And their platform is decent. Yeah, I would say their platform is decent. I mean, it's very simple, very straightforward. Yeah, it's not anything too out there, but it's still really cool. Contact us, Awudomi. Yeah. Form. One thing I've noticed about contact forms on platforms, and also from having one on our platform, one of our platforms, you get spam emails from bots, or you get spam form fillings, form submissions. You get spam form submissions from bots. I think people just have bots that scrape the web, find forms, and just fill them out and send, right? So if you have a website, you have a platform, and you are going to have a form on it, make sure to have a captcha included, right? That way you can mitigate against bots. Yeah. And this is their LinkedIn. Cool. Yeah, home. Oh yeah, people. I wanted to go to people. Okay. Founder. Okay, so yeah, it looks like they also have a decent team. Well, I wouldn't know if it's a decent team or not, but like they have a team. Yeah, okay, so that's Acral Courier. So let's look at the next. Okay, I think I can close this, and I can close this. So let's look at the next people, and that is Donu. Is it Donu? Donu. Donu brings fresh, affordable, high quality products from suppliers and farms straight to your doorstep. Okay, so an e-commerce platform for suppliers and farms, for groceries. Wait a second. Oh, okay, yeah. Save you time, stress free, about tax. I see grocery products here, so that's my assumption. Shop education, I get it delivered. Sneak peek. Login, jollof dish. Okay, so food, beverages, food, groceries, fruits and vegetables. Rice, Indomie. Yeah, so I think it's mainly food-based products or food-related items. So either food itself, from what I see here, or food-related items, right, like groceries. I partner with us, info, and then a number. Okay, so let's check out their socials. I mean, so far the platform, their website is very straightforward. I mean, it's just to show what the application is, and then it has a link to download the application, right? Wait a second, I can't click these links. These are not links. These are not links. Yeah, these are not links. Okay. Then I guess maybe the apps have not been launched. Oh wait. Oh yeah, the apps have not been launched. Oh, okay. Huh, interesting. Their Facebook, February 26th. Oh, okay. Coming soon. Yeah, so they've not yet launched. Interesting. And let's see. September 3rd, so September just last year. So I guess it's something they started recently, and they are still in the process of building, but they've not yet released the application. Do they have a waiting list or a wait list? No, they don't have a wait list. Okay, so how would I, as a user or an interested user, be informed when they launch? Maybe I would have to follow their social media platforms. Open now. Okay, so their number is there. Oh, okay, there's also an X. Oh, it's right here. Okay, I opened it already. Cool. Donu, however it's pronounced. So let's check this. Joined September 2024. Yeah. So they started recently. It's something fairly new. Huh, interesting. And yeah, I guess if you want to find out when they launch, you'd probably have to follow them on their social media platforms, or maybe just follow their LinkedIn, right? Yeah, I think maybe just following their LinkedIn might be the best option. 7 months ago we were hiring. 2 months ago the wait is almost over. Okay, I mean, I can't say anything about it because, so these are the people who work there, right? I can't say anything about it. I can't say much about it because the platform isn't available to test. It's still not yet launched. I guess it's still in development. There's no waiting list, so I think that's something they could look into. But yeah, I mean, their website looks very straightforward. It just gives you the information you need, and it has it's supposed to have the links to the applications here, right? So something I've actually noticed, when you are launching a product, the easiest platform to launch on is web, right? It's very simple, very straightforward. If you are launching on mobile, there are so many steps you have to go through. With Google Play, you have to pay. The last time I checked, I think it was $25, but it's a one-time fee. With Apple, it's I think $99 per year. With Google, you have to go through a lot of checks. You would have to provide, I think, like your ID, documents, and a few other things, right? With Apple, I never really went that far into the development process for an application on Apple, so I can't really give much insight on that. But yeah, the easiest platform to launch on is web. So if you have a product and you're trying to launch, if it's not absolutely necessary to launch it on mobile, then you should target launching on web, because that's the simplest method, that's the simplest platform. Yeah, okay, so that's Donu. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. The next one is Afrigem Beauty, right? And for them, they don't have a website, they just host their stuff with Paystack, so paystack.shop. Afrigem Beauty. Okay, paystack.shop/Afrigem Beauty. And it looks like they just sell beauty products, right? Body butter, face toner, yeah, scrub, yeah. So, should I say beauty products are cosmetic? Is it cosmetic? Would you consider lotion cosmetic? Yeah, right? I might have to check that. Is lotion a cosmetic? Yes, okay. Okay, so I guess it is a cosmetic. So yeah, cosmetic products. Diamond set, 3-piece set, vitamin C serum, sunscreen. Okay, so I guess the diamond set includes every single thing, perhaps. And then 3-piece set is okay, so just these three. So I think that's the vitamin C serum, the sunscreen, and the face cream. And this one contains everything. So they have body butter, face toner, scrub, body lotion, bath soap, face cream, glow oil, vitamin C serum, sunscreen, 3-piece set, and diamond set. So let me check something. How many? One. Okay, actually, let me see. Sure, no problem. Add to bag. Checkout. Is this a gift? No. Delivery. Wait, why are there other countries? They deliver to other countries? Really? Ah, they only deliver to Ghana. Shipping region Ghana. Okay, so maybe someone in a different country would want to buy for someone in Ghana, perhaps delivery notes. Okay, cool. I mean, it looks cool. It's basically, it's just a shop, right? It looks cool. My only issue, okay, about us, they have an about us, where multiple award-winning skincare brand. Award-winning skincare brand, really. If you are award-winning, I should be able to find information about you online. Wait, they do have a website. Okay, I'll check that out. Award-winning. I mean, I'm not really seeing anything concerning awards being won. Anyway, let's check out the. Oh, they do have a website. Okay, so shop now. Am I looking at the same thing? Wait, yeah, okay. So it's the same thing. It's the same thing. So is it that these people are just like a reseller? Afrigem Beauty, April. Okay, so they're active on Twitter. I guess they don't have a Facebook page. And are they active here? Yeah, they're active here as well. One wait list podcast. Waitlist and podcast. Afrigem Beauty, Accra, Ghana. Okay. Continue to destination. No, don't open it. Just open it in the browser. The Skin Deep podcast. Interesting. Okay, so they have a podcast. That's cool. And they have a wait list. Why do they have a wait list? They have a website with prices in dollars, and then they have a pay stack shop. Okay, add to cart. I have to sign in or sign up. Premium analysis, AI customer solutions. I don't know. This is leaving me more confused than giving me answers. Okay, let me check something. Okay, so it does check out Ivan Stody, Christine Stody, and on the website it's the same people, right? Okay, so there's consistency there. AI skin analysis, easy online shopping. Okay, so login. I'm tempted to log in. You know what? Let's go ahead and do it. Sign up. First name, last name, email, password. I'll just use a regular old password. Create account. My password meets all the criteria. Okay, then maybe that is why the waiting list exists, or the wait list exists. So perhaps they are still building the website and it's not yet complete, but it's live in case you want to check it out. And the wait list is so that you can join and find out when the website is actually ready. And it looks like the website is supposed to be to sell their products, but also they are adding an AI system that's supposed to help you determine what products you need. Yeah, access to basic skincare guides. Yeah, so basic, premium, weekly skincare tips, okay, and then AI plus dermatologist. So yeah, it looks like you get access to an AI system that's supposed to help you analyze your skin and what you need, and also get access to a dermatologist review. Okay, that looks cool. I could get behind that. And then also it looks like they are changing the pricing of their products, and they're going to be charging in dollars instead of charging in CDs with their current store setup. Let me actually check something. Vitamin C serum is 80 CDs. Over here is $3. $3 to CDs would be. Okay, let me use the exchange rate, the highest 3 cent exchange rate. So that's, let's just say 15. Nah, so the price here is even higher than the price here. Okay, no problem. But yeah, so perhaps my hypothesis is that their website is not yet ready, or it's not yet complete, and they have a wait list, so that when the website is complete, you get notified that the website is complete, and then you can come and sign up and browse their platform. But currently they have a Paystack online shop that you can use to buy whatever you are looking for. So they have this, so you can buy the stuff you need, and then they are working on the website. That is my hypothesis, right? I'm not sure. That's just my best guess. And they do have a podcast as well. That's actually quite interesting. I saw they have a doctor on their team. Oh, where is it about? Is it about? Yeah, Dr. Saya. They have a doctor on there. Let me see if I can find Dr. Saya. No, I can't find Dr. Saya. Okay. But yeah, it looks like they have a doctor on their team, so perhaps that's where the podcast comes from. That's cool. That's really interesting. So these people are in the cosmetic space, or the skincare space. Yeah, and the team looks like it's 2 developers, right? Software developer. It's one developer. Virtual assistant, social media manager. Yeah, so it's one developer. Maybe that's why the platform is not yet ready. Alright, but yeah, that's Afrigem Beauty. Okay. not bad, I guess. Skin glue. Alright. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's Afrigem Beauty. I think the fact that they have a podcast is really cool. And the use of the Paystack shop, right? Because I mean, if you can use Paystack shop, there's no need to complicate things by building a whole new platform just to be able to sell your products, right? Because you can just use this and sell your products. So if anyone does have certain things they are trying to sell, they could look into getting a storefront on Paystack shop. I think that would be a very easy way to start, right? Instead of trying to build a whole new platform just for that purpose. If you do want to go ahead and build a whole new platform for that purpose, you can still start with Paystack shop just to see if people are interested in buying the product. Well, actually, optimally, what you should do first is try to sell the product in person to see if people will be interested, but I digress. So yeah, you could start with Paystack shop and then maybe transition to having your own platform like these guys seem to be doing. I can't tell for certain, but that's what it looks like they're trying to do. Let me check their Twitter. So that's Afrigem Beauty. Nutrition. Whoa. Listen to Nutritional Dermatology by the Skin Deep podcast. Yeah. Cool. Okay. I really like the fact that they have a podcast. That's really cool. Yeah. So that's Afrigem Beauty. So let's check out the final startup. So this is SBJ Properties. Find a perfect place to live with your family. Buying a home is a life-changing experience. Shouldn't your real estate developer be a life-changer? Ooh, I like that. Buying a home is a life-changing experience. Shouldn't your real estate developer be a life-changer? Okay, well, okay. Our popular properties, view more properties. Okay, so it looks like they are into real estate, and what they specialize in is selling properties. I think. I don't think it's in developing properties. I think it's in. Okay, well, maybe they do develop the property and then sell the property, right? Modern 3-bedroom house. So these are the details of the place. These are the features. Alright. And then there's a video. Why is the video not playing? Copy link. Yeah, thank you. Let's go and check it out. Okay, the video is not available. That's fine. 15 years of experience. Cool. Reviews. These are Google reviews, supposedly. Really? So, okay, SBJ Properties. Wait, SBJ Properties. Yeah. Okay, so if I search SBJ Properties on Google and I locate this, 14 Google reviews. Let's see if we can identify Julius William. Ooh. Okay, so there's something I noticed. Sometimes people make up reviews and put on their websites, right? But it looks like these guys are actually putting real reviews, so I really like that. That's really cool. Alright, so yeah, there is some credibility here. I like that. Well, I mean, potentially they could have hired people to leave reviews on their Google front, but I mean, let's not assume the worst, right? So let's see, 8 months ago, a year ago, a month ago. Okay. Ooh. Oh my God. This guy is fraudulent. They need to refund my $3,000. We had an initial convo and was interested in Spike's proposed property at East Legon. There was a clear case of fraudulent misrepresentation. He knew the lease on the property was 47 years, yet he told me it was above 80. He knew there was no renewal process, yet he told me this barefaced. Wait, where was I? He knew, yeah, he told me, oh. We decided to get the initial 15K. We were able to retrieve 12K. Block door communicate. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. There are so many good reviews from a long time ago, right? So that's what I was just talking about. Oh my goodness. Well, maybe this might have just been a misunderstanding because it's the only bad review, right? So, I don't know. I'm not so sure we can endorse these guys. Let's see. Spike. Oh, wow, Spike. He actually did mention the name of the person in the review. Where is it? Here. Spike. Yeah, interested in Spike's proposal. Yeah. I don't know if it is just a misunderstanding. Well, it looks like they misrepresented a few things so they could close the deal, and then the person they were trying to sell to found out. Okay, so let's chalk it up to but they did misrepresent the details of the property. Okay, so I think we could get more information from their social media, perhaps, hopefully, our partners. Okay, so another thing is, usually, like, you know how I spoke about the review portion, some people faking the information on the review portion. Some of them also do that with the partners. So with this one I can't confirm, but since they didn't misrepresent the reviews, maybe hopefully they're not misrepresenting the partners. But considering the review we just saw, where they literally misrepresented the information of the property they were trying to sell. Actually, let me see if that review is here. Good, this SBJ has nice real estate investments. I like top quality estates. I had the best customer service. Okay, so it looks like it's only good reviews that are here. Obviously. Let me check by now. Doesn't work. These patterns don't work. View projects. Okay, so while that is loading, let's check this. 4,000 followers. Wow. Okay. I don't know if that review is just, like 1 in a million and was just a bad interaction altogether. I don't see any comments on their do I need to? Yeah, I don't see any comments on their things. So is it that no one is engaging with them? No comments on anything. Oh, okay, there are comments here. Any payment plans? This turned out great. Can you delete other people's comments on Instagram? I think you can. If that's the case, then oh wow, 61 comments. How much? Okay, so it's all of them just asking for the price. Okay, wait. I saw some pictures. Okay, no problem. Okay, so I'm a bit on the fence with regard to these guys. I don't know. Okay, so this is the guy. Reload. Why is the picture up? Okay. So there's the main person in charge, looks like. Alright. Experience founder. Okay, yeah, I am a bit on the fence in relation to these people because of that review. And I mean, it's a very serious review because if they misrepresent the properties they sell, if you don't do your due diligence, you might end up getting the short end of the stick. So I am not so sure. You could still check them out, just make sure you do your due diligence so that you don't end up like our friend over here. What's his name? So that you don't end up like Brian. Yeah, 4 reviews. Oh, actually, let me see something. Horrible. I went to check in and no one was available. I waited for an hour. Wait, are these his reviews? Okay, so he left a review here. This guy is fraudulent. Here he left a review 5 stars. Here he left a review. Wait, these are oh interesting. So all the other reviews are not in Ghana. The only review is here. So the person, maybe he doesn't stay in Ghana and he only came to buy property, and the people were misrepresenting the property to him to secure the deal, and he found out. It's all just speculation, right? But yeah, I'm a bit on the fence concerning these people. In terms of their platform, I mean, their platform does look cool. That's what it's supposed to do, right? It shows you the property. The style is quite cool. I mean, yeah, the way the layout is, yeah. I think the platform does look a bit cool. Accept, no problem. Subscribe. Oh, okay, to a newsletter. Yeah, the platform is good. I personally don't know so much about real estate, but from the reviews, from the most current review, I would say if you want to deal with them, just make sure to do your due diligence, right? Alright, so that concludes the first episode of Startups in Ghana. This is going to be a series, so be on the lookout for more videos that highlight startups or the startup ecosystem in Ghana. Catch you in the next one.